Cleaning hectic work sometimes. If you keep scrubbing, kneeling, and bending with your cleaning work, it will no longer can be a fun activity and will be turned into a frustrating one. To avoid this extra effort for cleaning kitchen, bathroom, and other possible areas of your home, there are some fantastic automated cleaning gadgets. With these automated cordless cleaning scrubbers, you can clean more better, faster, and also can save your time. We have reviewed 5 best electric scrubber that are perfect for cleaning bathroom, kitchen, walls, etc. Let's check these gadgets. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber. Feature graded adjustable long extension handle and brush head angles. 4 different types of brushes meet different types of cleaning requirements. It also comes with a 21-inch extendable stainless steel handle for you to scrub and clean hard to reach areas. The bristles are of good quality and won't scratch your bathtub or floors. Willis Electric Spin Scrubber. Power 1000 mAh rechargeable battery with micro USB charging. The extended handle is made of advanced stainless steel. 4 multi-purpose brush heads for different types of cleaning purposes. Suitable for tub, tile, floor, glass window, car, door, etc. Frodo's Electric Spin Scrubber. Feature 1000 mAh battery, with one full charge you can work more than 60 minutes. 3 different brush heads provide you flexibility of cleaning. Very easy to clean kitchen, basin, floor, glass, walls, etc. The intimate waterproof design gives you the safest product. Yukata Spin Scrubber. With this perfect cleaning assistant, you can easily continue your cleaning works up to 80 minutes. This scrubber is featured with high-quality waterproof design. You can only charge it when the switch is off. It includes 3 types of premium quality brush heads to meet your various cleaning requirements. Yukata Electric Spin Scrubber advocates to create a new way of cleaning, improve the quality of life and work in all directions, and give you the warmest protection in daily life. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber. This handheld electric cleaner is cordless and can be used anywhere. You can rotate 360 degrees to make your cleaning process much more easier. 3 different types of brush will meet your different types of cleaning requirements. The flat brush is suitable for floor, tile, oven, and stove. The pointed corner brush is great for cleaning window sill, corners, and tight places. And the rounded brush is perfect for bathtub or sink cleaning. Thanks for the video. Find all product links below. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell to get notifications of our new video.